Hi, I'm Tori from Me Time, and in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for the Polar Bear Rice Warmer project from the Feeling Festive Bella Box. If you're new to the Bella Box or to Me Time subscription, what we offer is machine embroidery subscriptions delivered right to your front door. What I really love the most about this project is how cute he is, and also how fun it is to make the project, but also this year is really chilly, and me and my family love to use these rice warmers to help warm us up in the evenings. The 4 tips I'm talking about today are 1, clipping the curves, 2, stitching scarf fringe, 3, placing ears, arms, and feet, 4, warming the rice pack. Tip number 1 is to clip the curves. This will help keep your project nice and flat. For example, on part 1, step 15, we're going to clip the curves on our arms, ears, and legs right up to the stitches without going through them. The same goes for part 3, step 8, on the polar bear's body. Tip number 2 is to make sure to use a wash away bobbin or contrasting thread color on part 2, step 8. This will help make the cute fringe on the scarf. You may even have some leftover wash away bobbin from your last Bella Box. If not, a contrasting thread color will also work too. Tip number 3 is placing the ears, arms, and feet. When you get to steps 20 through 22 on part 2, you'll need to make sure that you leave the ears, arms, and feet a ½ inch out beyond the placement line of the body so that the tack down line will capture them when sewing. Okay, tip number 4 is warming the polar bear. You do not stick the completed polar bear in your microwave. Instead, take out your rice insert and warm this in increments of 10 to 20 seconds at a time until you feel like it is warm enough, and then you can add it to the back of your polar bear project. Thanks for joining me in this video. Please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for Me Time. You can also watch our other videos for the teacup zipper pouch tutorial and tips and tricks for the tiling scene from the Feeling Festive Bella Box. Now go enjoy some well-deserved Me Time.